Good morning. Today we're going to install this rod for the shower curtain. First thing we did is we measured up 65 inches. On this end I have two holes. I've already marked them on the wall 5 inches back. I'm going to drill them out right now. We're going to set anchors in them and we're going to be installing it. Using a hammer drill. That's one side. The other side over here. Next we'll be finding the right anchor to put in there. Sometimes you have to waller them out just a little bit to get the anchors to fit. It's good to have them tight, but you don't want to have them too tight. That's the way they should fit, nice and flush. Those are real nice. We'll do the same to the other side. Okay. Top one's in right now. Put the lower ones in. Go back and adjust it and get it straight. Okay, put the bottom one in now. Okay, that's good. Find the last screw that fell here. put it in over here. Attach to the top. There it is. You just have to make sure that you use a hammer drill to get through the tile. It's very important. And that'll do it. Have a nice day.